Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off read Caller Name Aloud on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Phone. Next, tap on Announce Calls. And then select Never to turn off read Caller Name Aloud, or you can select Always, so that will always read the incoming call, Caller Name Aloud. So here, if I give myself a call, you can see that.
It jungles our incoming call.
When I receive an incoming call, it will read the Caller Name Aloud. And that's it. If you want to switch it off, or if you want to set it so that it only read out the caller name while you are wearing headphones or when you are connected to the car audio system, then you select headphones in car or headphones only. Select never to switch it off completely. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.